Organizational structures. The enterprise structure of a company is mapped to SAP applications using organizational units. Organizational units represent the enterprise structure in terms of legal or business-related purposes. Organizational units include legal company entities, plants, store locations, sales office, and divisions. Client. Client is the highest level unit of all organizational elements. It represents the enterprise or headquarters group. Generally, in SAP system practices, 3 different landscapes, clients are used. Landscape or clients is the arrangement for the servers, are basically logically discrete or separate subsystem within SAP system. These can be considered as logical subunits within SAP system. Landscape is like a server system or like a layout of the servers, or some may even call it the architecture of the servers, viz. SAP is divided into 3 different landscape: development, quality assurance, and production. Development would have multiple clients, for example, 190 sandbox, 100 golden, 180 unit test. Quality assurance may again have multiple clients, for example, 300 integration test, 700 to 710 training. Production may have something like a 200 production. These 3 are landscape of any company. User is given access to specific client based on business unit that user belongs to, geography or roles and responsibility assigned to user. They organize their office in these 3 ways. Developer develop their program in development server and then transport it to quality landscape via transport request. In quality server, tester check and test the program and then transport it to production server via the same transport request created in development client. Later it will deploy to client from production server. Operating concern. The operating concern is the key organizational unit within COPA profitability analysis. Profitability analysis, COPA, enables you to evaluate market segments, which can be classified according to products, customers, orders, or any combination of these, or strategic business units, such as sales organizations or business areas, with respect to your company's profit or contribution margin. Controlling area. The controlling area is the basic organizational unit in management accounting. A controlling area is a closed entity used for cost accounting. A controlling area may contain 1 or more company codes. This enables controlling across company codes. The controlling area and its company codes must use the same operating chart of accounts. Costs and revenues are transferred from external accounting and classified according to managerial accounting perspectives, using cost objects, cost centers, internal order, production order, WBS element, profitability segment, and so on. When you create this master data, the system assigns the cost objects to a controlling area and a company code. The level of detail provided by the controlling component enables you to track specific information for cost monitoring, business decisions, and sales control. Management accounting, internal accounting, and controlling are synonymous with CO. Operating concern and controlling are CO organizational units. Company code. Company code is a unit used in the balance sheet of a legally independent enterprise. It is the central organizational element of financial accounting, FI. Company code is the smallest organizational unit of external accounting for which a complete, self-contained set of accounts can be created. This includes the entry of all transactions that must be posted and the creation of all items for legal individual financial statements, such as the balance sheet and the profit and loss statement. The company code is the central organizational unit of external accounting within the SAP system. You must define at least one company code before implementing the financial accounting component. The business transactions relevant for financial accounting are entered, saved, and evaluated at company code level. External accounting, financial accounting are synonymous with FI. Plant. Plant is the central organizational unit used in logistics. Plant is responsible for the planning, procurement, distribution of goods and services for customers and suppliers. Plant in SAP is a physical location of company, and one company code can have one or more plants. You can use the plants to control production, where the production facility available, inventory, where the stocks of materials are managed, maintenance, where the maintenance of goods take place. Plants are organizational units used in SAP logistics components. Material management production planning PP, sales and distribution SD, plant maintenance PM. Store location. Storage locations are the places where stock is physically kept within a plant. They are also used to define an organizational unit that allows the differentiation of material stocks within a plant. The processes that occur in material management, production planning, and sales and distribution. Generate postings in financial accounting. If there are postings to profit and loss accounts, revenue is allocated to COPA in the market segments and the costs are allocated to the CO objects. Cost center, internal order, production order, maintenance order, work breakdown structure, and so on. Then, the costs are transferred to the operating concern, allowing profitability analysis by sales organization, company code, plant, products, services and others. At the store locations, products are stored. At the plants, products and services are received and supplied. At the company codes, journal entries are stored. At the controlling area, the costs are allocated by cost object. At the operating concern, costs and revenues are attributed to market segments. At the client, access is controlled, data is stored, and configurations are developed, tested and transported.